Imagine breathing new life into a piece of history. A 1936 Indian Chief motorcycle, a true masterpiece of American engineering. This extraordinary restoration reveals every hidden detail, from the gleaming chrome to the meticulously crafted engine. Each part tells a story, filled with grit and nostalgia. The climax comes as the bike roars back to life, echoing the spirit of the open road. This journey not only honors the legacy of the Indian Chief, but also showcases the passion that fuels restoration enthusiasts everywhere.